I believe every child is gifted. And I want to make a school system where every child is just exploring their potential.
We really value the potential that they have. If they need support, we can provide that working with our very small class sizes. If they are ready to be challenged, we can accommodate that for each and every child.
Well, BCA is a really great community of people who love to learn and who appreciate diverse points of view.
I get to express myself in many different ways, such as singing, dancing.
Everyone puts the hard work in to make a kind, loving community to one another.
The IB program really fit our students, reaching out to a more global community, as well as bringing in more 21st century thinking for our students and our approach to working with them.
The IB curriculum is one where collaboration is a high point. We want to progress through a unit in a creative way, in a collaborative way, and there's always that reflection piece that goes from start to finish.
Every single year we are building off the unit from the previous year, and we take in the input of the students and of the teachers. Even just a typical lesson is less of a lecture and it's more of a class conversation.
From pre-K, from kindergarten, they are given these words of being a risk taker, being open, being caring, being a good communicator. They know what that means.
The children get a chance to test out. What do they love? What are they passionate about? While having support in core curriculum, one of the things that makes BCA special is we have found a really great balance of providing those aspects for all of our families.